ulazimo na Istrakon da vidimo kako to izgleda.
Da.
Tako, ovo tu je stol za prijavu, gdje naši vredni radnici, kako se zove, daju akreditacije. Ovo tu su stolne prijave za različite igre i za pizzeriju. Kao što vidimo, imamo puno knjiga te zanimljivih postera, kao se predskazanje starih postera filmova koji ljudi obožavaju. No, sve o svemu ideći dalje, tu se ne prodaju samo knjige i još knjiga, veliki natpis Istrakon, nego imamo i napade, kako se zove. Recite, so, how are you enjoying yourself on Istrakon?
I'm enjoying myself a lot.
A lot, excellent. Have you tried the beans outside?
I have not.
Okay, it is pretty awesome.
Okay.
I had 2 beer mugs of it.
Oh.
Yeah, I like it more in beer mugs, so yeah, so there.
Even fun.
Yeah. I'm gonna make my own gas chamber. And I'm doing a small kind of report on what's happening around here. So.
Great. I'm losing my voice, but other than that, I'm great.
Oh, what have you been doing? Wow.
I'm getting over a cold, but it's really funny because I feel like I sound like a chipmunk or something.
I've been drinking all night and screaming all day.
So I need to drink a lot.
Oh yeah, so probably stiff drinks. Oh, and we have comic books.
Watchmen in Croatian.
Yes, Watchmen in Croatian, actually Serbian, but you know, the same thing. Watchmen